Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2018 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque 2.0 TD4 SE Tech Auto 4WD, a stylish compact luxury SUV finished in red with a black leather interior. Sitting on 18-inch alloy wheels, the Evoque boasts a panoramic glass roof and sleek body lines, combining a sporty presence with everyday usability. At the rear, sleek LED taillights, a sporty spoiler, and an electric tailgate offer modern styling and convenience. Rear parking sensors enhance safety. The 2.0 TD4 diesel engine delivers strong performance, while the automatic transmission and 4WD system ensure confidence on any terrain. The Evoque's bold grille, LED daytime running lights, and heated windscreen ensure both style and practicality. Front parking sensors make maneuvering effortless. Step inside to heated leather seats with electric adjustment. The infotainment system features navigation, Bluetooth, DAB radio, and lane assist, ensuring a seamless driving experience. Rear passengers enjoy comfortable seating and ample space. The large boot, with an electric tailgate, provides practicality for daily life and travel. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161-399-1629. Quote BT67NRN to book a test drive or request a video tour.